Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and running the latest iOS. Updates fix many notification bugs. Once done, open Settings and tap Notifications to view app controls. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so apps can register for alerts. You're doing this now because direct app toggles won't work if the system-level notification master switch or focus modes are interfering. So keep settings visible and follow the next steps to adjust both system and parameters. Now pick the specific app that's not notifying you and enable Allow Notifications if it's off. You should choose Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners so alerts appear where you expect them, and select a banner style, temporary or persistent, based on urgency. Make sure sounds and badges are on so you get audible and icon cues. If the app supports critical alerts or time-sensitive notifications, enable those to bypass focus limits. This ensures important alerts reach you reliably. Finally, verify focus modes and Do Not Disturb aren't blocking alerts. Open Settings right arrow focus and either disable active modes or add the app to allowed notifications. After adjusting, restart your iPhone to ensure settings propagate to background processes. If notifications still fail, reset network settings or selectively offload and reinstall the app to refresh permissions. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test another user account or device to isolate whether it's account, device, or app specific. This directs your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.